RobPathRec demonstrates how to teach the path on a KUKA CR20 Cyberspace industry robot. The workpiece is a damaged door of a car. No CAD file is available. The workpiece moves as we use remote TCP. As always, first, the user frame will be calibrated. The 0 point, the X direction and the Y direction will be defined. It can even happen on the workpiece itself. No external tools are necessary. The only boundary is, the 3 points must be reproducible. And the system is ready for the recording. The digital twin follows the movements in real time. The recorded points are showing up. You have the option to record the orientation of the pen, or you can fix the orientation. This is useful, for example, for welding. The result is in this case without any post-processing or adjusting the recorded points. You see the out-of-the-box results.